Hi, my name is Lei Li. I'm a faculty member of the Department of Chemical and Petroleum Engineering at the University of Pittsburgh. It's my pleasure today to talk about the research in our lab. Now let's share some slides. So in our group at Pitt, the research focuses on surface, interface, and very thin materials. At the surface and interface, the molecular structure of materials are very different. Understanding these unique fundamentals will be very critical to many applications like lubrication, wetting, and energy storage. Our group is a 100% experimental group. Using different experimental technique, we have investigated different material systems, ranging from graphene, ionic liquids, to nanometer thick polymer coatings. On the one hand, we spend a lot of time understanding fundamentals. On the other hand, we apply what we have learned in different applications. Here, two examples. Example one is a current project sponsored by NSF. In this project, we are working on a very interesting material called ionic liquid. This material at room temperature is liquid. However, at molecular level, the building blocks are ions, which usually result in solid material at room temperature. As you can expect it, this unique structure make this material very, very special. So when ionic liquids are next to solid surface, their molecular structure is very interesting. Here, using AFM, we want to figure out, first, what's the molecular level structure of ionic liquids when they are confined to a solid surface? Second, what's the underlying mechanism? Very, very interesting. Okay, so another example, also ionic liquid. Here, this is an industry-sponsored project. We are working with hard disk drive business. In today's hard disk drive, magnetic head fly very close to magnetic medium. How close? It's like a Boeing 777 flies about the size of a hair above the ground. So that's how close it is. As you can imagine, if there's a contact, the entire device will fail. Okay, so that's why lubrication is very important at interface. Here, based on what we have learned on the fundamentals of ionic liquids, we are developing novel ionic liquids as the next generation nanometer thick lubricant for hard disk drives. So this is exciting. So with this very short example, hopefully I give you an idea what we're doing in our lab. If there are any questions, please feel free to contact me. Here is my contact information. Well, I want to thank you for being with me today and have a good day.